and welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we are showing you a really simple, really fast, really easy hairstyle that stays put. Now this is a half up style, but it could easily be adapted as a pigtail style or a ponytail style if you want.
That's what it looks like, and let's get started.
I'm starting with two front ponytails which have already been done. They are parted back by the ear. I'm then taking a small section of hair and dropping it. The section that I did not drop, I'm going to comb it out to make sure that it is smooth, and I've sprayed a little bit of gel in it. I'm then going to come down about 2 finger lengths. I like to use my fingers to measure and add an elastic. As you can see, there is my 2 finger lengths. I'm then going to take another small piece and drop it. I'm probably taking about 1/4 of the hair and dropping it each time. I'm then going to measure down again about 2 fingers and then place another elastic. Now I like to start with really smooth hair with this hairstyle. Her hair has been blown out and I've used the leave-in conditioner to make it soft and easy to work with. Then we're going to come over to the other side. Dropping 1/4 of the hair, and then the piece that you do not drop, we're going to come down 2 fingertips or 2 fingers, and then add an elastic. I'm going to repeat the drop section again, where I take about 1/4 of the outside hair, drop it, and then the inside section I'm going to add an elastic. Now when you drop the outside sections, that's what gives it the waterfall appearance. Once I've got this down, I'm going to turn her to the back and simply take these last 2 pieces, drop them one more time on both sides. So drop the outside piece, drop another outside piece, and then the inside pieces I am going to add an elastic to. So I'm simply adding an elastic, and then that is the finished style. This is literally a 5-minute hairstyle once you've got the hair prepped. It's so cute. Nova has worn it several times and it actually stays really well all day. If you would like to adapt it to a pigtail style, I'm going to show you how to do that. So for a pigtail style, I'm going to take the last strands of hair, split it in half, bring it all down into a pigtail, and then you would do the same on the other side. All right, that's it for us today. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, what should they do?
Click the thumbs up.
Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out all of our other videos, and we will see you next time, okay?
Bye.
Bye.